In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Futures Hedge mode while showcasing an example of a profitable hedging strategy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to effectively utilize this feature to manage risk and potentially increase your trading profits. First things first, let's dive into the Binance app. Once you've opened it up, you'll want to navigate over to the Futures section. It's here that you can begin setting up your hedge mode configuration. To find this, tap on the menu icon, the one represented by 3 dots, and then select Preferences. It's important to ensure that you've accessed the correct settings to effectively set up your trading strategy. Now, under the section titled Position Settings, you'll see an option to select Hedge Mode. This particular setting is incredibly useful as it permits you to hold both long and short positions on the same trading pair. Essentially, it gives you the flexibility to go both ways with your trades, which is perfect for hedging against market volatilities. With hedge mode activated, let's choose a specific crypto pair. For this example, we'll use BTC USDT. This pair involving Bitcoin and Tether is very popular and often provides significant trading volumes, making it an ideal choice for demonstrating a hedging strategy. Once you've selected your crypto pair, it's time to open a long position. By opening a long or buy position, you're setting yourself up to profit if the market price rises. Essentially, you're betting on a price increase, so if Bitcoin goes up against Tether, you stand to make a profit from this position. Next, and simultaneously, you should open a short position. The short or sell position should be opened with less capital in comparison to your long position, acting as a protective measure against potential price declines. In short, while your long position benefits from price increases, your short position shields you from losses that could occur if the market trends downward instead. Now, the beauty of hedge mode really comes into play. If the market takes a strong swing in either direction, the profit you generate from your position on the profitable side can outweigh the losses incurred on the other, effectively reducing your overall risk. This strategy is particularly advantageous in volatile markets, where predicting the direction can be quite challenging. By implementing this approach correctly, you're setting yourself up to manage risks better and undermine the potential for significant losses. Hedge mode on Binance. Futures offers a balanced strategy where you're not only concerned with potential profits, but are also actively managing your downside risk, an essential practice for any prudent trader. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide into the world of hedging with Binance Futures, aimed at facilitating a potentially profitable and certainly more controlled trading experience. Remember, as with all trading, always ensure you're mindful of your strategies and the risks involved.